everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking pork leg soup. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, I have to mix coriander, garlic and black pepper. I have to fry coriander, black pepper, garlic and paro. I don't know English call, but you can find in the Asia shop. I show you guys. Okay, I have to fry. I have to put the oil little bit. If you can smell, it's very good smell. I hope video can make you know smell is very good. When I cook enough, I put the water. Okay, I have to boil eggs and everything I finished and I show you. Okay, now water is enough. I have to put the pork leg. Oh. You can smell? Oh, very good. Very good. Oh. And I have to put the palm sugar. 2 and half. 2. And I have to put the pork powder. Some people don't put, but I put little bit. I think it's very good. I have to put the black sauce because I think they make beautiful, but not too much, huh? Not too much. Okay, you know, I have to wait 4 hours or more because pork leg is very big and you have to take time for make leg pork very soft, you know. Okay, I have to wait 4 hours. Very easy, but you have to take time. Now I have to put the eggs in the soup and I have to wait 1 hour and everything finished. You see? Now everything is be good. I have to put the vegetable in the soup. I have to remove pork leg in the plate. Oh, you see, beautiful. Oh, not in there. Okay, now for eating. Soft, really soft. Mmm. 4 hours. 4 hours, but delicious and very soft, you know. Okay, today I have to done everything and I hope you like my channel and I have to think a new menu for you every time. Okay, please subscribe and like and support me. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ See you next video. Bye bye.